today I'll be installing LED light. This is not my best job, and a new toilet seat. So bear with us, watch this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a lovely comment. It's going to be a quick video. I'm not going to show exactly how it's done because I don't have a tripod to hold the phone or anything. It's going to be a quickie. I'm sure anyone can change this. If my wife can change the toilet seat, I'm sure anyone can do it. Okay? First of all, I'll have to try and find some latex gloves. I'm in the surgery. I'm sure they're going to have it. Managed to get hold of latex gloves. So, here's what I need. I'm going to double it in case one rips. Toilet seat, bacteria, be safe. I'm not wearing an overall, no. Really simple thing, yeah. Double it. Medium gloves, so these ones here, fit me. Yeah, powder-free ones, examination gloves. Okay, so now let's go to the toilet light. Alright, so that's the toilet seat, all the fittings, all the instructions. That's the tool that I'm going to use. Wicked. Let's go. As you can see, the toilet is nice and clean. I've got the cleaner to clean it. I'm going to install it now. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm going to replace the whole unit. I'm just take this bit off first. This bit here goes on top. It's not go in there. You can adjust it. So that's the. You can always adjust it. Let that in there. And this, the washer is going to go in here. I'm going to feed the nail through, and then tighten it with this. This is the tool that I'm going to use. So this here will sit here somewhere. Okay? And it's easy. I'm going to use this to tighten it a bit. Slide this in. With a bit of adjustments, it's done. Obviously it's soft close. As you can see, the toilet seat is on, proper works. Now I have to change this. Yeah, this light switch needs to come off. I've got to put a new one on. New soft closing toilet seat. That's a new fitting. LED. Job done. Half boiler working now. I'll put this on for you. So I've got a key. I took the sticker off and it's locked.
Thank you so much.
Ready to go, yeah?
Thank you.
So take care.